Spencer. Good morning. Good morning, Spencer. We're in San Francisco, aren't we? Can you swim for us? Yeah, swimming time, swimming time. Swimming time. There goes his feet. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Where are you going? Where are you swimming to? Can you smile for us? Smile! Smile! You were a strong baby. Aren't you? Aren't you? Where's Puddle? Where's Puddle, Spencer? Do you know where he is? Where's Puddle? What are you looking at? What's there? Ah, Mama and Papa. When they were in love. Isn't that a nice picture? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Then we made a little Spencer. And there's Puddle. Hi, Puddle. Hi, Puddle. Hi, Puddle. Are you doing little stretches? Hmm? Hi, Puddle. Hey. Back to the baby.